Hey friends, this is Rochelle from Caliente Springs, and today I'm at home number 401. This home has a front deck, it has a shed to the side, and it has some terracing in the back. So let me show you. There's a front deck space for sitting, and then there's also this side patio area right here. That'd be the perfect spot for the grill. This is a spot for extra storage. It's a shed, and then in the back, let me show you the terracing. These terraces back here would be the perfect spot to plant a garden or grow some herbs. Here's another quick view of the deck right before we head inside. Here's the living room. You've got a lot of windows. There's even a really cute art-shaped window up there. This home has floor that mimics wood. It has a U-shaped kitchen with white appliances and cabinets that are mid-toned. Coming down the hallway, there is a built-in desk. On the other side, here is the restroom. Coming into the bedroom, there are several places with built-in cabinets. So we've got these two up here. There is this big closet for storage, and then down on the bottom, there are some extra drawers. And then I'm gonna change my vantage point and show you some more. I'm on the other side of the bedroom now, and you can see you have a few more built-ins on this side. Thank you so much for watching this tour. If you would like more information about the types of homes we sell here at Caliente, I will put a download link nearby where you can get more info. Or if you would like to come see this home for yourself, we would love to give you a tour and show it to you. Give us a call.